के ऊपर आप नजरें बनाए रखिए। वेस्ट बंगाल की ये युवा साइकिलिस्ट जो हैं, ये वर्ल्ड जूनियर रैंकिंग्स इनकी जो है वर्ल्ड नंबर 3 की रैंकिंग है त्रिशा पॉल की। अप एंड कमिंग स्टार जो अपना दबदबा जूनियर लेवल में तो बना चुकी है। किस तरह से ट्रांजिशन अगले कुछ सालों में जूनियर से सीनियर कैटेगरी में दिखेगा वो दिलचस्प रहेगा।
जी हाँ, बहुत दिलचस्प होने वाला है ये आने वाला रेस, which is the finals of the girls under 21. Mayuri Lute, what explosive power. Triyasha Paul, of course, undoubtedly for me in this category the best. Nikita is of course a very good cyclist herself. Alina Reggie, up and coming cyclist, watch out for her as well. So we've got some lineup here in the Kairin girls under 21.
The Karian girls under 21 is a very strong competition between Nikita, Mayuri Lute, Trisha Paul, Shushikala and Alina Rezi. So it's a very interesting to watch this. Trisha Paul had an advantage, but other girls are all equally strong like Alina and Shushikala and Mayuri Lute.
For the uninitiated, and in case you're just joining us, Kairin racing began in Japan in 1948, and Japan, not a country renowned for any other form of cycling, remains the hotbed. International Kairin racing is also a relatively new discipline. It was introduced to the World Championships only in 1980 and to the Olympics as recently as the Sydney Games in 2000.
And one of the reasons for its popularity in Japan and the reason why it's originated there, it's still very popular there, is the unpredictable nature of the final outcome or the result of the race, because you can't really tell what's going to happen once that moped or the Derny goes off the racetrack, do you?
Are you sure it's the unpredictable nature? It's the billions at stake that makes the Kairin so interesting in Japan.
We're on live television, so I chose not to go down that route.
We'll stay off that route. Kairin, in case it interests you, and there's no reason why it should not. It's fascinating. The world of Kairin racing in Japan is fascinating. Look into it, it will be worth your time.
और फिलहाल शुरुआत है इस कैरन की, क्योंकि डर्नी जो है वो ट्रैक पर आ चुकी है और जैसे ही जर्नी क्रॉस करेगी इन साइकिलिस्ट को, ये लीजिए अब पोजीशंस होल्ड करनी पड़ेगी उस जर्नी के पीछे, यानी उस मोबाइल के पीछे इस लाइनअप को साइकिलिस्ट की निकिता, मयूरी लूटे, त्रिशा पॉल, सहश्री, शशिकला और अलीना रेजी जो कम्पीट कर रही हैं इस गर्ल्स अंडर 21 कैरन फाइनल में।
Alina Reggie has taken up the position right behind the Derny. This is what Lalchemba had done in the boys. Could not sustain the pace, and often you see, usually the winner of the Kairin is lurking somewhere far behind.
टोटल 5 लैप्स हैं जो करनी है, जिसमें से 2.5 लैप जो है डर्नी के पीछे, और उसके बाद बची हुई 2.5 लैप जो है वो जब डर्नी ट्रैक से उतर जाती है, हट जाती है, तो जब फ्री फॉर ऑल आपको देखने को मिलेगा, जब आप पेस अपनी मेंटेन कर सकते हैं, डर्नी की पेस को फॉलो करने की ज़रूरत नहीं, वो डिसाइसिव 2.5 लैप रहते हैं।
जी हाँ, usually you stick to the slipstream, try and cut down the wind resistance as much as you can, save up on your explosive energy as much as you can. The Derny of course keeps getting faster and faster. At the elite level it's allowed to go all the way to 50 kilometers per hour. That won't be the case here as well.
डर्नी को राइड कर रहे हैं सतीश वालिया, जिन्होंने इस जब डर्नी कैरन के अंदर राइड करी थी कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स 2010 में जब दिल्ली में आयोजन हुआ था उनका, सतीश वालिया ही राइड कर रहे थे। चलिए डर्नी तो हट गई है ट्रैक से और अब देखना पड़ेगा कि क्या अपनी पेस मेंटेन कर सकती हैं अलीना रेजी।
Just becomes a free for all, which is so interesting to see, and the Kairin, it's heating up here. Derny is off, positions are changing very quickly on the track.
Trisha Paul's made the move on the outside and she is now taking the race lead just barely by probably a couple of inches. Still a challenge coming from Alina Reggie. ये दिलचस्प रहेगा। Trisha Paul outside line पर है, एक और चैलेंज आता हुआ बिल्कुल बाहर से, ये शशिकला अगासे का चैलेंज है, पर फिलहाल लीड फिर ले लिया अलीना रेजी ने। क्या मेंटेन कर सकती है अपनी लीड को?
The final lap, Mayuri Lute of Maharashtra is in the lead, but this is That's the explosive power of Triyasha Paul that we are talking about. She changes gears, and Raman, when she changes gears, there are not many cyclists who can catch her in this age category.
Will she be able to hold on? She's made the move alright. She is leading the pack. Triyasha Paul, West Bengal की साइक्लिस्ट लीड कर रही है. क्या यहाँ पर जीत अपने नाम करेंगी? स्ट्रॉन्ग फिनिश की तरफ अग्रसर और जीतने में कामयाब वेस्ट बंगाल की Triyasha Paul.
Such a close race, and the gold medal has been won by West Bengal thanks to Triyasha Paul. We'll have to wait for confirmation as to who's won the silver and bronze, because that may have been a photo finish. I'm pretty sure that was a photo finish actually.
मल्टीपल गोल्ड मेडल्स Triyasha Paul के नाम इस खेलो इंडिया यूथ गेम्स 2020 के अंदर एक ओवेशन मिलता हुआ यहाँ पर आए स्पेक्टेटर से Triyasha Paul को अपने प्रदर्शन के लिए स्ट्रॉन्ग शोइंग.
I also think, Raman, that ovation is not just for this race, but her overall performance at the Khelo India Youth Games. Triyasha Paul, take a bow. You've been outstanding, girl. That was the Kairin final, girls under 21 category, and Triyasha Paul, just confirming for you, has just won the gold. We are getting for you the silver and the bronze confirmation in just a few moments from now. Stick with us. It's such a close race that we need to get perfect names on those medals. This is just having a look right now.
शुरुआत है अलीना रेजी ने पोजीशन बनाई थी डर्नी के पीछे, फिर आया फ्रेंड शशिकला अगासे का, लेकिन बढ़त बनाई उसके बाद Triyasha Paul ने और उस बढ़त को आखिरी लैप में बरकरार रखा. क्लोज चैलेंज अगर आप देखें, इनर लेन के अंदर ही अलीना रेजी का चैलेंज जरूर था. आउटर लेन में मयूरी लूटे ने भी चैलेंज किया, लेकिन अंत में विजयी रही Triyasha Paul. और देखना दिलचस्प रहेगा कि वो दूसरा स्थान क्या मयूरी लेने में कामयाब हुई हैं, पर इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं कि जीत Triyasha Paul के नाम, वेस्ट बंगाल के नाम एक और गोल्ड.
Yeah, Raman, I'm pretty sure Mayuri has bagged a medal. I'm not sure what color it is, because we just have the perfect position here from the com box, and I think she made the perfect dip. I think she's won a medal for Maharashtra. I don't know what color it is.
Well, whether it's going to be silver, and will Alina, who was making that dash late in the end, will she take the bronze? But the gold, of course, is Triyasha Paul. Yes, and that's the confirmation. Mayuri Lute does take silver, and the bronze goes to Shashikala Aghase, who's just pipped Alina Reggie to the post towards the end.